guys, I am going to make a blog. My thinking is that whenever we have time, we should try to utilize. Okay, if the time passes one time, so it would not come in our life once again. So with that thought, I am going to start this vlog. You could see Agastya is sleeping here and playing with the balloon. He is eating the balloon. Hey Agastya, why are you eating the balloon? Now Agastya has got up. Okay, he is watching here. You could see my brother is here, sitting over here. My brother is Ganesh Bhaiya is sitting here, and Sia is here playing with his father. You could see. What is your name? What is your name? He is laughing. He is not telling his name. And you could see Ankush is here. Ankush has sat on the ladder. And you could see the Duggu. Duggu is here. He is taking the pillow and coming. Where are you going, Duggu? Hey, Duggu. Where are you going? Show your face, Duggu. Hey, Duggu. Show your face. Say hello.
Hi कर दो hi.
Hello. Yes, Duggu has come. And they are about to go to the village today. You could see Anjali is sitting here.
There is a lizard.
And you could see Piyush is using the phone sitting over here. Piyush.
There is a lizard.
Okay, I saw him. You could see Sujjo is here. And you could see Piyush is using the phone. And Mamta sit properly. I am going to make a vlog. You could see Mamta is here. Mamta is laughing. So they are about to go to the village today. Today I am on leave. Today I am on leave. So it is like a luck. You could see. What is your name? He is sitting on the chair. You could see Ankush is going outside. Hey Ankush, where are you going? I am making a vlog. Where are you going? You could see Sia is outside, and today weather is pleasant, I would say. And if you are capable to see, watch, there is a bird who is sitting on the bricks. You could see that bird is sitting on the bricks. And this is a little garden, I could say. Not, it is not like that. But it is a little garden. There is pomegranate. Planet is available. Yes. Yes. Yeah, okay, I got that. Oh, today. Okay. I would show you that this sparrow is searching to his or her kid, which is over there. Yes, yeah, come here. He will take him. He is calling him. Oi. He is calling him. Come here. ओए वो अपने आप उसको कॉल कर ले, छोड़ दो. So two birds has come here. They are calling. You could see. They are the two birds. They are calling. They are calling to his or her son. They would be the mother and father. And where is that bird? That bird is here. Could see that bird is there. If you are capable to see. That bird is there. Since yesterday he was here. My uncle's daughter brought because he was wandering in the street, so it would be dangerous for him. So that I thought to send him into this garden where some trees are available. So I said to my uncle's daughter to drop him there. So she dropped there, and now their parents has come one day later. Today means yesterday I saw, and I said to her, now today they have come. You could see they are calling him. They are sitting on. See, they are sitting there and they are calling him. You could see. You could listen them telling, "Hey, come here. Why are you doing?" They all are watching there. They are getting afraid. Come inside. They will take with them. They are calling him. Come inside. Hey. So now they have started going to their home. You could see Duggu is here. Hey, Duggu, come inside. So they will take with them They are calling. Somu, come here, come inside. They are getting afraid. They will take him. Hey, Sia. Hey, Dubbu, come inside. What are you doing here? Come inside. Sia is going with Ankush to his home. You could see he is going there. Hey, hey, Dubbu, come here. Sia will come. Come. Come here. Hey, Dubbu. Now their parents is going to take him with him. They have come here. Now they, I could see. If you are able to see, they are trying to. Oh, come inside. They will take with him. Them. They will take with them. You could see from here. Where is the bird? The bird is there. This bird here is sitting. He is searching to his or her daughter. It may be his son, and he is there. Where is he? They are flying. Hey, hey, go, घर जाओ, पत्थर मार रहा है, भाग। सुअर। They were throwing the stones. Okay. Their parents has come. Hey, Somu, come inside. They are about to take. You could see. They are flying here and there. They are about to take this little bird, which is the bird. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I was just making. Yeah, there is the bird. So thank you guys for watching this vlog.